Vagaro is a fantastic platform that connects you with your favorite local businesses, from salons and spas to fitness studios and wellness centers. It simplifies the booking process, making it incredibly easy to find and schedule services that fit your lifestyle. But booking is just one part of the equation. Once an appointment is made, you need a reliable way to keep track of it. This isn't just about avoiding missed appointments, which can be costly in terms of both time and money, but also about staying organized and in control of your personal schedule. A quick glance at your Vagaro appointments can help you plan your day, confirm travel times, or even coordinate other activities around your booked services. So, how exactly do you check your appointments on Vagaro? Whether you prefer using their convenient mobile app or logging in through the web version, Vagaro provides intuitive ways to keep all your scheduled services right at your fingertips. No more digging through old emails, no more frantic phone calls. Just a few simple taps or clicks, and you'll have all the information you need. This video is going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you can confidently manage your Vagaro appointments with ease. We'll cover both the mobile app and the web interface, so no matter how you access Vagaro, you'll be a pro at finding your upcoming services in no time. Let's dive into the specifics. We'll start with the Vagaro mobile app, which is incredibly popular for its convenience and on-the-go access. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have the Vagaro app downloaded on your smartphone or tablet. It's available for both iOS and Android devices in their respective app stores. Once you've downloaded it, open the app and log in to your Vagaro account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one using the email address you typically use for booking appointments with Vagaro businesses. This ensures all your bookings are linked to your profile. After you've successfully logged in, look for the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. You'll usually see icons for things like Home, Book, and critically for our purpose, Appointments. Tap on the Appointments icon. This will take you to a dedicated screen that displays all your scheduled services. On this Appointments screen, you'll typically see two main tabs, Upcoming and Past. The Upcoming tab is exactly what it sounds like. It lists all the appointments you have scheduled in the future. This is where you'll find that haircut, massage, or yoga class you're trying to remember. Each appointment will be displayed clearly, usually showing the service name, the provider, if applicable, the date and time, and the business name. You might also see information about the price you paid or if you used a package or membership. Now, let's say you want to dig a little deeper into a specific appointment. Simply tap on the appointment you're interested in. This will expand the details, providing you with more comprehensive information. Depending on the business's settings, you might see options to reschedule the appointment, cancel it, get directions to the business, or even add the appointment to your device's native calendar, like Google Calendar or Apple Calendar. Adding it to your personal calendar is a fantastic way to ensure you receive reminders and keep your entire schedule integrated. What if you've booked appointments for family or friends through your account? Vagaro has you covered. On the Upcoming tab, there's often a filter option, typically labeled All Appointments. If you tap on this, you can usually filter to see My Appointments, just the ones you booked for yourself, or Family and Friend Appointments. This is super helpful for managing multiple schedules from one account. Now, let's switch gears and talk about checking your appointments on the Vagaro web version. This is perfect if you're on your computer or prefer a larger screen. Open your web browser and go to vagaro.com. Just like with the app, you'll need to log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or a small avatar. Hover over or click on this profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and one of the options will be Appointments. Click on Appointments. Similar to the app, you'll be directed to a page that lists your appointments. You'll again see the Upcoming and Past tabs. The Upcoming tab will display all your future appointments with details like the service, provider, date, time, and business name. You can click on any individual appointment to view more details, just like in the app. The web version also offers options to reschedule, cancel, get directions, or add the appointment to your calendar. The filtering options for All Appointments, My Appointments, and Family and Friend Appointments are also available on the web version, usually in a drop-down menu near the top of the appointments list. This ensures consistency across both platforms, making it easy to navigate regardless of how you choose to access your Vagaro account. Beyond simply viewing your appointments, Vagaro often provides helpful notifications. Many businesses configured on Vagaro will send automated email or text message reminders before your appointment. These are incredibly useful for jogging your memory and ensuring you don't miss a beat. You can often manage your notification preferences within your Vagaro account settings, choosing how and when you'd like to receive these reminders. It's a good idea to check these settings to ensure you're getting the alerts that work best for you. And what about past appointments? The Past tab, available on both the app and the web, is a great feature for reviewing your service history. This can be useful for several reasons. Perhaps you want to rebook a favorite service with the same provider, or you want to remember when your last visit to a particular business was. You can also leave reviews for past services, which is a great way to support local businesses and help other Vagaro users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.